Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the nib unit on a TWSBI Vac Mini. One Vac Mini, one new nib unit. There we go. So first of all, reveal the nib unit. Second of all, unscrew it. Put it somewhere safe. Remove the new nib unit from its protective casing. There we go. Now try and get the video in focus. Boom. There we go. Screw the new nib unit on. There are videos that have taken 10 minutes to show people how to do that, but I thought that was a bit of a waste of time. But hold on, we're not quite right here, are we? Because as you will see, the section is a different colour, because this is the Vac Mini Smoke, not the clear one. So, if you want to get the right colour section on, it is actually reasonably straightforward. So we take this off, again, and then we unscrew the section cover. There you go, pop that there. I can see you're probably way ahead of me already, because what I'm going to do is unscrew this. There we go. Bring this up here. Screw it in. There we go. Don't try to force it, it's plastic. And another thing I would caution you about is not to over tighten here, because you might crack the plastic if you do. There you go. Well, that's done. We've got the right colour section sleeve on it. Put the cap back on. You're ready to go, actually. It really is that simple.